Himalayan river system. The Indus River system. The Indus, originally called the Sindhu, has its source located in the northern sides of the Kailash mountain range close to the Lake Mansarovar in Tibet Plateau from the spring of Senge Khabab near Bokar-Chu. In Tibet, it is known as Singhi Kamban or Lion's Mouth. It is one of the largest river basins of the world. It flows in northwest directions and enters India in the Leh district of Jammu and Kashmir and flows between the Ladakh and the Zaksa ranges. It cuts across the Ladakh range, forming a spectacular gorge near Gilgit in Jammu and Kashmir. It enters into Pakistan near Chillar in the Dardistan region. The tributaries of Indus River played a key role behind the origination of the name Punjab. The word Punjab has originated from the Persian word Panj, 5, and Ab, river. Therefore, the blend of words Punjab signifies land of 5 waters or 5 waters, named after its main tributaries, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. It is joined by Kabul River from the west near Attock, and it receives the accumulated waters of 5 eastern tributaries. The Panchanad near Mithankot. The river finally drains into the Arabian Sea as Sapta Sindhu near Karachi. Satluj. Origin: near Rakas Lake in Tibet, west of Mount Kailash. It joins another branch coming from east through the Mansarovar or Rakas Lake, also known as Langquin in Tibet. It forms deep gorge between Shipki and north of Shimla. It comes out of a gorge at Rupar. It passes through Shipkila and enters Punjab plains. Bhakra Nangal Dam and Natpa Jhakri hydroelectric dams are built on this river. Important cities: Ludhiana, Bhavalpur. Mouth. The Satluj is joined by the Beas River and continues southward in Pakistan to unite with the river Chenab to form the Panchnad River near Bhavalpur. The Panchnad River finally joins at Mithankot with Indus. Beas. Origin: Beas Kund Lake near Kulu Hills and Rohtangan Pass on the south end of the Pir Panjal range close to the source of Ravi. It is one of the roughest rivers of India. Important cities: Kapurthala, Kangra. Mouth. The Beas River joins Satluj in Hari Ke Patan near Amritsar, Punjab, India. Chenab. Origin: Tandi, Kelong at Baralacha Pass, Himachal Pradesh. Chenab is the largest tributary of Indus. Chandra and the Bhaga rivers rise in Lahul near the two ends of the pass, and then when enters Kashmir, it is known as Chenab. They join at Tandi near Kelong on Himachal Pradesh to form the Chenab River. It takes sharp bend at Kishtwar, passes through the deep gorge, emerges as Riasi Plain in Jammu, and from here it turns southwest to Punjab of Pakistan. Important cities: Wazirabad, Kishtwar town. Mouth. Joins Satluj River at Uch Sharif, Panchnad, and Indus River at Pathankot. Ravi. Origin: Bada Bhangal, Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. It rises in the west of Rohtangan Pass in the Kulu Hills of Himachal Pradesh. After flowing between Satluj and Chenab, it emerges in the plains at Madhopur. Famous Ranjit Sagar Dam is built on this river. Important cities. Lahore. Mouth. Joins Chenab River at Ahmadpur, Sial, near Sarai Sindhu, Pakistan. Jhelum. Origin at Verinag spring of Pir Panjal near Banihal Pass in Kashmir. It passes through Wuller Lake. It flows on westerly direction with deep valley with almost perpendicular walls between Baramulla. South of Muzaffarabad, it takes a sharp hairpin bend, thereafter forms the boundary between India and Pakistan for almost 170 kilometers and emerges at the edge of Potwar Plateau near Mirpur. Important cities. Jhelum. Mouth. Joins Chenab River near Jhang in Pakistan.